Why does your scanner show the P2421 engine code? What does it mean? P2421 is a diagnostic trouble code for EVAP system vent valve stuck open. It indicates that the ECM has detected either the vent valve or vent valve control circuit is stuck open in the EVAP control system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty vent valve, clogged or dirty canister, faulty purge valve, wiring issues, ECU or PCM software issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Mitsubishi, Volkswagen, Honda, Toyota, BMW, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.